It's time for another adventure, and this time we're not driving, which is really nice. Yeah? Let's do it. Thank you. We made it, buddy.
We did.
Made it. So we made it down to our cabin and check this place out. Look at all this. We got stuff. We got shirts and hats. Look, we got cups, Mike. Name tags. Let me see. It's a leather. Hang on. Ah, there we go. Now I see it. That's where you shower. Ooh, what's it say? Kingsford. All right, open up. What is it?
It's a towel for quick drying.
See? Wow.
No way.
Boom. Swagged out. Kingsford shirt and a cookie. Start her up.
Well, she started.
Go. Get back up. Yeah, let me see. Yeah. Jeez, easy. Easy. These are the best part about this whole adventure, these golf carts. Wow, 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 wow. It's very bumpy. Very bumpy. Shh, employees, slow it down, slow it down. Check this out. You got video games, foosball.
Open bar, dude.
What's on that, barkeep?
We got some shiner.
Wow. Dude, this is amazing. You look so good in that Kingsford shirt, by the way.
This whole thing?
Is that a Kingsford hat?
Sure is.
Oh, it's this. What's this called again?
Shuffleboard.
Shuffleboard. I love shuffleboard. I do. I forgot what it was called, but I really do.
Oh yeah, I love
I
it.
do. Oh, snap. What's up, buddy?
You ready to ride?
Really liking this golf cart situation. You drive, buddy. Oh, this is so cool. Oh no! Oh shoot! Oops, wrong one. I guess it doesn't matter. They're all the same.
Hang on.
Hanging on. Uh-oh. Easy on the bumps. Easy on the bumps. You enjoying yourself, Michael?
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you guys why this is so exciting for me to be working with Kingsford and being out here, even to be invited by them. And I was telling Mike this story earlier. So when we moved to Chicago from Poland, living in the city, we'd go outside, like, you know, in the summertime, and people would bring out their grills, and everybody was using Kingsford. And just that smell of the charcoal getting started and then meats being grilled on the grills over those coals. Every time I smell it, it just brings me back to the childhood, those memories. And we didn't really have a lot of money back then, so grills, charcoal, things like that was not in our cooking budget. So now to be able to kind of work with them, represent the brand, it is such a cool feeling. Like I said, it just, every time that I smell it, it just brings me back to the childhood, living in the city and just seeing my neighbors grill and share little bites here and there. So this is such an amazing experience. I love it. Cheers. And being able to bring this guy with me is just an added bonus. Beats being at the office, right?
I don't know. I really like Excel.
Your boss might watch this video, so yeah, good, yeah, I like it.
What up, Dave?
Look at that.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about.
Wow, look at this. This is absolute madness here. I'm gonna call dibs on that one right there. You guys, look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is such a cool place.
We've done groups of 800, 1200 on a setup similar to this
Wow.
all day.
Wow.
Just feel that right there. Feel that spinalis. Just give it a little poke. You know what I'm saying? It's like butter right now.
Yeah.
Now
Oh
it's
my
just-
goodness.
Yeah.
I'm back in 5 minutes with this.
Yes, thank you, chef. So this is the mushroom saute. We're on the Primo ceramic grill. We got the Lodge cast iron out here. We're going in. This is actually beef tallow wild mushrooms. So we had these wild mushrooms flown in. These are trumpets. They actually came in from Oregon. Oregon or Oregon?
Oregon.
Oregon.
So good, baby.
It's
We're
all
all
good.
friends.
It's
Dirt country.
Yeah.
Oregon.
dirt country.
I've never been so excited about mushrooms, sides.
Man, come on. Get out of here. Shut the front door. And the back door.
And the back.
We
Amazing.
let you out of here. Shut the
Amazing.
front door and the back door, goddamn it.
Oh, look at that. Al, baby, how you doing? That's right, that's right. Oh, real good, man. Miss you out here, buddy.
On behalf of all of Kingsford Nation, we want to thank and welcome you. We're not going to do long speeches tonight. You're going to learn more about Kingsford than you ever thought you needed to know. Tomorrow, you're here because you're as passionate about what we do as we are, and we could not be more thrilled. So enjoy your time. We look forward to getting to know you. Welcome to the Kingsford family.
Big cheers to you.
There we go.
Let's go.
Hey.
Well, now you're just showing off.
That's good. That's the butter. You take the butter out.
What's up, everybody? A little slower start to the day today. How you feeling, buddy?
Fantastic.
Not too bad. Was a pretty fun night. Pretty fun night. Good way to start our adventures here. Good thing the camera didn't really work later on. 'Cause it got pretty wild. Pretty wild. Which one's ours?
You don't have the fuck.
Yeah, that one's got the sock in it. And this one's got more stuff in it. Oh shit! Son of a. How's that coffee?
Seattle's best. Does it get any better?
It's my favorite.
Oh, it is.
Getting ready for day 2.
It's happening. It's all here.
Oh, very excited about this station here. Look at that. Jess, what's the best way to make these?
So you do this. Now put it in there and twist. Nice. Okay, now scoop some ice in. Get your tequila. No one's judging your pull. It's whatever you do. Great.
Good, good start.
If you want some of the pineapple syrup, it
Yes.
comes out kind of slowly, but put as much as you feel like. So then you get a bottle of Topo, and it has to be Topo Chico. Monterey's favorite. Get yourself in there. Figure it out that way. And that's it.
Oh,
Ranch
look at
water.
that. Let's go.
What a way to start the day.
Yeah, looks like you've done this before.
A couple times here and there. I always set my grill up for indirect. Everyone's okay with a little spice, right? No, I missed another one. So we got ribeye tacos with a green sauce. We got a flour and corn and hardcore carnivore smoked sausages.
Oh my goodness.
Well, give it a little swing, boys. Come on. There you go. There you go. You're good. There we go. Ready to rock and roll, baby. Shake and bake. Let's go.
Thought it'd be awesome to put together a regionally inspired barbecue challenge for you. Behind the scenes, we've teamed you up. You don't know yet who you're going to be cooking with, cooking alongside, or what you're going to be cooking. But I can tell you, I'm really excited about this.
We got ourselves a little friendly competition. Team Carolina right here, representing, baby. So we've got some andouille sausage, we got shrimp, crab meat, oysters. Bless you, Arnie. Crab meat, so we're doing some crab cakes, we're doing a Cajun pasta. We are, what else are we doing? Crab cakes, Cajun pasta.
Everything. We're doing Cajun pasta, crab cake.
Oh yeah, shrimp and grits.
Yes.
All right, we got team Beef Texas here, chopping down some onions. Look at those tri-tips, holy cow.
You want savory? Want a little bit on the sweeter side?
Nice. You guys sure you don't want any shucked oysters? You don't want to trade? No? Okay. All right. All right. All right, we got Team Pork here throwing down. We got pork chops, pork belly. Arnie and Big T throwing down, baby. Toasting up some bread. We're making our homemade breadcrumbs for our crab cakes. Really excited to see how this is going to turn out, by the way.
Bone marrow, mushroom, onion, all caramelized with bone marrow, bacon fat.
Dudes, check this out, guys. Look at this beautiful tri-tip chimichurri. Got this porterhouse with a marrow, onions, mushrooms, butter, sides, and this platter of pork. You got ribs, you got loin, belly, sides. Oh my gosh. And we had crab cake stuffed shrimp, Cajun shrimp and grits with pimento cheese, Cajun pasta, and some crab cake big shooters with a cheer wine sauce.
There's not going to be judging.
Prime tri-tip, some prime porterhouse steaks, just, you know, right in my wheelhouse. You can tell them what you season that with.
We've got a savory version where it's basic mustard base and all the Latino seasonings that I love.
It's not something that we both cook a lot of, so definitely was a little more challenging to kind of get through the basket and the proteins. We are winding down day number 2, hanging out on this beautiful scenic overlook. Look at that. Just having a good time. A couple of tasty beverages. And number 2.
More rye, more spice. More rye, more spice.
So we are waiting for our Uber to go back to the airport. What a awesome time this was. Hanging out with Kingsford, learning more about the company, meeting the people, and more importantly, meeting all the creators that were here that I've talked to on Instagram, on social media, and this was the first time I had a chance to meet them in person, which was amazing. And this whole resort in Texas was super cool. Really cool few days. Definitely going to try to come back here with my wife and the kids. Before we go to the airport, we're going to try to do one more stop, get a little bit of barbecue, because when you're in Texas, you need to get some barbecue. And we made it down to LeRoy Lewis in Austin. This is their brand new brick and mortar restaurant. They had a food truck with this kind of new school barbecue menu, and they just opened this up a couple weeks ago, so we're going to go in, check it out. It's delicious. Great place, great owner, so I'm excited to check out the brick and mortar place. And the man himself, baby.
1,000-gallon pit from Backline.
Ooh.
These are all of our flat irons, so this is kind of like our signature staple cut of meat that we do every single day.
So. What's your favorite item on the menu?
I like the bacon rib.
Yeah.
It's probably my favorite. Yeah, it's like candy, dude. It melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
And pork belly alone, burned ends is great, but then you throw that on top of a rib.
Yeah.
So we got our 2 chud boxes here. We kind of have dedicated chud boxes. This is our hog and lamb chud box, so we'll put all of our hogs on here. It's literally just coals that we're throwing on.
Yeah.
And then this one is our chuck and chicken box. Kind of keep those separate. Nothing's on this one right now. We just got done doing the chickens. And then we got our burn barrel. This is this is what creates all of our coals. You know, smash them down. Coals fall here, and just kind of feed them in there. Careful, everything to the left.
It's hot.
of you is gonna be very hot. Yeah. We got 2 hog pieces on today. Got a shoulder and then a middle, which is basically, so like this would be our bacon ribs if we were to cut them off, and this would be like the pork chops.
Got it. Okay. So we'll do the L&L burger.
L&L burger. Do you want everything on that burger?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else?
And then we'll do the 2 meats and 2 sides plate.
2 meats, 2 sides. And what would you like for your 2 sides?
The 2 sides, we'll do the chori papas and the kimchi. I mean, check this out. Smoked L&L burger. This is the 2 meat plate. So we got smoked and pulled whole hog, the sliced flat iron, some kimchi, some potato sides, sauces. LeRoy Lewis, absolutely amazing. If you're anywhere near Austin or even passing by, highly recommend this spot. Food was delicious. It's a cool twist on traditional barbecue items. So like instead of brisket, they have the flat iron. Kimchi is one of the sides, which is perfect, a little spicy, crunchy. Absolutely amazing place. So highly recommend it. Check them out. We're waiting for Uber. Gonna go back to the airport, fly back home, and our adventure is coming to an end. So catch you guys next time.
I couldn't find that in your Apple Music library.
What? Crazy Siri.